on, kids? Jeff Preventure here from High Gear Automotive, Rochester, New Hampshire. It's Saturday morning, about 4 o'clock. It's March 4th, and we're gonna go out and plow around some snow. Pretty snowy late spring, or not spring, winter. It's winter still, almost spring. So it's pretty boring winter for the most part, and then the latter half here is kind of picking up, but we're just we're heading out now. Picked up our crucial supplies, our Cumbies iced coffee. Got some hot coffee in the thermos there, and that'll be there for later. So we're gonna go out and have a little bit of fun. Don't really feel all that great. The last couple days felt kind of shitty. I picked up a cold. Not too debilitating, but kind of a pansy when I get sick. So kind of whiny and bitchy and moany and blah, you know, poor me. But that's I guess that's all part of the fun. Let's get up in the early morning on a shitty day when you feel like crap and hang out the truck all day and plow some snow. So that's what we're gonna do. Good times, people, good times. Crank up the rock and roll. That's not rock and roll, that's some lame commercial. And that's all static. So, anyway. We'll drive and get to where we're going and do what we're gonna do. So, we will see you later. Interesting, huh? Fucking Christ. A friggin' Mercedes. What is that, a Mercedes? I can't tell. No, that might be a Volkswagen. I don't know. So those are the road conditions out there, in case you're curious. You know, local How Were the Roads report. Snow plows. There's a lot of them there. I think there's probably, I don't know, 4, 5, 6, 5 or 6 maybe. Turn around. I left a massive, like a 3-foot snowball in the middle of the road when I pulled out of there. I'm just going to kind of kick it out of the way. Don't really want to take a direct shot with a car with that thing. It's going to screw something up. Kind of big. Kind of the thing with this snow is so wet, heavy, and sticky. When you make a turn, you get these massive snowballs that roll off the edge of the plow. Pretty sure that little Bronco would have drilled that thing pretty good.
temperature is kind of warm. I don't know how accurate, that mirror is right now, but it says 38. Sometimes it's off a little bit with the plow on the front. But, as you can see, the road, it's just not really building up a lot on the road. So it's going to go in and do our final cleanup and cul-de-sacs and stuff like that, and clean them out. That's probably going to be about it. So that's that. check this house up coming up around the corner here. It's this thing is right on the edge of the road, and they must have had some window shutter because now it's got some screened and protective stuff over it. That house is right on the edge of the road. And obviously the snow came back to life here because we're out here scraping. I pretty much finished my cleanup, and it started picking back up again, and now it's just coating right back over. So it's gonna keep on scraping. First time all season I've actually had a storm ride to get out and clear some stuff off the wiper blades. The camera's not flip drag. That's alright, sorry about that. I'm not the most skilled camera operator in the world, and I don't pretend to be. Step over, plow down into the muddy stuff, and clear a little bit more, and we should be good to go. Like somebody's coming. Whoop, don't get hit by the Mercedes. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for splashing all that slush over me, jerk. Cruiser's sitting there. Oh, uh-oh. Looks like we got one out in the ditch. Somebody out in the ditch. We going? Place your bets. Speedometer says 25, and we're going 25. Son of a bitch. I didn't think that speedometer was accurate, but apparently at 25 miles per hour, it's pretty good. This is another interesting spot. For some reason, there must be like a high water table or like a spring or something under this road. In this particular spot, the snow is always melted on the road. It like never really builds up. It's kind of an interesting geographical anomaly here. I believe that would be called, but that's it is kind of interesting that happens like that. As we get a little further up now, we're going to see snow on the road. Not a lot, a little bit. Oh, snap! I forgot. I totally forgot our junk food segment for this storm. I totally screwed up. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm sure I disappointed all one or two of you. Hopefully, you know, you won't get angry at me and, you know, call me a moron or something. I don't know. Who knows? Whatever. But I forgot I got this. Let me go through my bag of goodies here. Where the hell is it? Where'd it go? Do I have them? Pretty sure I do. I got the box of backwards Swiss rolls. They must do things backwards on that side of the country, or that world, you know. I guess they write backwards over there in Switzerland. So I got my Swiss rolls. but that's not what I was talking about. Those are going to be tasty too, I think. I'm looking for... no, I got some combos. Pepperoni pizza combos. Again, backwards. I don't know what's going on there. That's strange. I guess combos are written in reverse as well. So, still looking. Still looking. Where is it? Where is it? Son of a... Where did they go? Oh, come on. Is that them right there? Oh, there they are. Alright, check this out. This is going to be exciting stuff. Look at my eyes. They're all black and brownish looking and yellow or whatever. Man, I had a little bit of a cold going on. Plus I'm kind of tired. You know? Stressed out. Tired. I'm going to get up to the turny around here. Turn around section, and we will reveal this storm's plowing junk food segment. Of the day. Get this monster Chevy turned around here. Pulling out, dude. Look out, plow dude's turning around. Alright. So this is what we got. Fritos brand chili cheese Fritos. Now, I think I've had these before. Pretty sure. I think I have. I love Fritos and I love chili cheese, so it only would make sense that I've had them before, but I don't remember. So we're gonna crack open this bag here, the chili cheese Fritos, and I'm gonna see what they taste like. So we'll just check. The shot of Brody coming by in the Mac. Hello, Mac. All right, good job, buddy. Good job. He's doing good. He's doing good. He's on the side of the road. I like that. Doesn't make sense for both of us to be running up the center of the road. That's kind of counterproductive. That's good. That's good. So anyway, let's flip back around here. Going up over the highway now. Flipping around. All right. So we got these suckers open. Make sure we're focused on my pretty face. And let's see what they taste like. Alright, got one. Got one in. Chewing. Chewing. A little salty. A little cheesy. Not a lot of chili. Slight cheese. Not a lot of chili. Basically, that's what it looks like. Basically, it just tastes like a Frito. I'm a little disappointed. We thought they taste bad. They taste good. But I was just hoping for a little bit more, action. A little bit more excitement going on in my mouth here with these Fritos. And it's just not really happening. It's just not that good. No, I should say, I said that again. Don't say that. Stop saying that. Jesus Christ. They're good. They're good. They're just not good enough. Just not good enough. That's pretty much where it comes down to right now. But I'm going to enjoy them. I'll probably polish off most of the bag. Right now. And that'll be that. But that is today's Storm Junk Food plowing junk food segment. We did it on the Fritos brand chili cheese flavored corn chips. So let me know what you think. Are you a fan of the chili cheese flavored corn chips, the Fritos brand, or not? You know, tell me. Let me know. I want to know. I like to know what people are thinking. I think most of us would like to know what people are thinking most of the time. We really never have any idea. Ever. So, yeah, feel free. Let me know. All right. I'm done babbling now. We're going to keep stuff in my face and plowing down the street. So, that's pretty much how it goes. Everybody's getting plowed today. Everybody. Men, women. We're not discriminating at all. We are plowing everybody right now. I don't care who it is. You're getting plowed. So, hopefully they're all grateful. You know? Grateful to be plowed. So, look at the sky. Go forward. Oh shit, I dropped one. Crap. Alright. Well, that's unfortunate. I hate when I do that. So, stop, turn carefully, look both ways. Nice and safe. That's the way we do it. Nice and safe. And keep on keeping on. Alright, so thanks for tuning in. Catch up with you later. Alright, so the snow is, I don't know, somewhat lightening up, I suppose. Still looks like it's falling a lot, but it's really not doing anything. The main roads are in pretty good shape. They're wet. So I'm going to try and do the side roads again here. See what happens. Last time I got all my side stuff done, cul-de-sacs cleaned out, and then it started snowing heavy again. So I'm gonna try this again and see how this goes. See what happens. Should probably put the truck back in 4-wheel drive. Just been in 2-wheel drive the entire time here. Driving down the mains, I don't really need 4-wheel drive. It's not a problem. Even just pushing down the side road, just not really a problem in 2-wheel drive. It's just the cleanup part where it really comes in handy. You don't have any momentum. So, hit this real quick. And, like I said, we'll see how this turns out this time around. Green leaves. Crap. That feels really weird to see that. Got a couple inches worth of stuff here on this road. This was clean already once. Like I said, got the side roads cleared up and cul-de-sacs cleaned out, stuff like that. Started snowing again. Heavy. That's heavier than this. I'm trying to open up my Swiss rolls, damn it. Freaking box. There we go. Alright. I got one out. Probably more Swiss roll than I really needed. I didn't need a whole friggin' box. But when they put a box of Swiss rolls right near the cash out register at the Irving Circle K, they know you're gonna buy a whole goddamn box of them. And that's what happened. I bought a box of them. So, really, just the 2 that come in the little package here would be more than sufficient. See, I used to like to unroll my Swiss roll. I don't. Does anybody else do that? Back in the day, you take your Swiss roll and kind of unroll it, unravel it as you eat it. That's the way I used to like to do it. I haven't had one of these in a really long time. I used to love these things. Then I decided I didn't want to be a fat kid anymore, and I stopped eating Swiss rolls. But good. I'm good for 10 pounds in the winter. I'm okay with that. Not too concerned. Oh look, there's a Ford over there with a Fisher plow, and the hood's up. Right? Ford in natural environment. Ford truck. So, yeah, let's just roll out of the package here. Yep. Ain't bad. Yeah. All my Swiss rolls coming apart. You have to watch me eat my Swiss roll. You want to watch me eat a Swiss roll, people? I'm sure you do. Who wouldn't love that? It's like flaking. See it? It's like delaminating. The Swiss roll is like delaminating. Oh God, these things are great. Oh. I hope they never stop making these like they stopped making Twinkies. Personally, I don't like Twinkies. So I don't really care that they stopped making them. But I don't think there's no better snack food cake thing. Cake snack food. And a Swiss roll. That is lovely. So good. Good stuff. See, it's snowing kind of heavy again. Oh, Jesus Christ. Limousine. I got fooled there with the camera. I don't even want to go out and look at the cutting edge on the plow. It was pretty low. I got that new edge after the last storm. I didn't have a chance to put it on. And the way this thing has been wearing out lately, I'm probably wiping out the plow. Which isn't good because somebody already did it in beforehand. Because this is not the original plow that I bought with or for this truck. Originally it had a 8-foot blade on it, and now it has a 9. I put the 9 on it because the 9 pays more than the 8, and it pretty much paid for itself pretty quickly. But it's a used blade, and it was used and abused, and somebody wore it right down where the trip edge is, pretty far. So I don't really want to go down anymore than it already has been. I'm probably going to be really bothered if I get out and look at it, because I have a sneaking suspicion that that edge is worn out. So I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it. There's one in the bed behind me. I gotta put on 9 foot. I guess it's a standard highway pattern on the edge, which doesn't quite fit perfect for this diamond plow, so we had to drill out some holes. A lot of them lined up, a couple of them didn't, so we had to drill out some holes in it to make it fit. And the other thing is, the diamond plow trip edge and the cutting edge is, the holes are punched out in the center, going along the center, you know, of the edge. And this highway edge, which I think is kind of a Fisher design, I don't know, they're offset, so they're up high. Holes are punched out up high on the edge, so when you put the edge on, it actually sticks down like a couple extra inches. So you're actually kind of getting more for your money the way it's made, because I used probably a couple more inches of cutting edge than you normally would. So I guess that's a good thing. I mean, I'm not buying the edge, they're supplied by the town, but they're kind of getting more of their money's worth. So, but it still seems like they wear out fast. They definitely wear out faster with this 9-foot blade than they did the 8-foot blade. So I don't know. I suppose a little bit of weight has something to do with it, but I mean, really, that foot worth of steel is probably, you know, the difference between a 800 or 900 pound plow and like a 850 to 950 pound plow, I guess, maybe something like that. It's not a huge difference percentage wise, so it really shouldn't wear out twice as fast, but it seems to. I don't know why. But we're just gonna keep on pushing here. Pushing and pushing and pushing it out. Well, we wrapped up about 2:30. Got all done. It's still spitting some snow. It actually seems like it's snowing pretty, I don't know, moderately anyways, but there's just, you know, it's just not sticking to the pavement. Pavement's all wet, loaded with salt, and it's just not really happening. So that's going to be it. I mean, it should go to the radar. It's going to be completely out of here anyways. About an hour or so. So I think we're clear. So we got I don't know, 8, 9, 10, somewhere around 10 or so hours approximately. So that's pretty much it. So call it a day for the March, this is 4th storm, and go get something to eat because I'm kind of hungry. So catch you guys later. Thanks. See ya. Bye.